Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Zach Pasquarello, and I teach you how to start your own bookkeeping business with zero experience in less than 30 days. I know exactly how to do it because I did it 3 years ago, and the whole goal of making these videos is so that you can learn everything that I've learned and you can avoid all of the mistakes that I've made. That way you can fast track to success. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I have over $13,000 of recurring monthly bookkeeping clients. So I'm going to give you a breakdown of the timeline that I took to get to this point. So real quick, I do want to emphasize this is not easy and this is not fast. This took me 3 years to get to this point, and I've worked really, really hard. However, I started this with no experience, and I started this working remotely while I still had my full-time job. So if you were in that position with little to no experience, if you still have a full-time job, the good news is you can start a bookkeeping business the exact same way that I did. So first of all, I started in 2020, got my first client in 2020, and then 2021 was like kind of my first full year of having my bookkeeping business. And at the end of 2021, I had about 10 clients, and I had quit my full-time job at this point. So I had 10 recurring clients. Obviously, I had a few cleanups and I had a few one-off projects on a monthly basis, but in terms of monthly bookkeeping clients who paid me every single month, which is the key. That's what you really want. It's cool to get a cleanup. It's cool to get a small project here and there, but you really want to get recurring monthly clients. That way you can grow and scale your business. And that way you have confidence next month I'm going to get paid X amount of dollars per client because they are already subscribed to my monthly recurring bookkeeping services. So 2021, I had 10 clients. 2022, I doubled, I got 20 clients. And then fast track to this month, literally today, June 1st, I just sent out 39 invoices, and my average client pays me $350, which means I'm making $13,650 per month just in monthly recurring bookkeeping clients. This is not counting any miscellaneous one-off cleanups or projects or any new clients that I get. Now keep in mind, I lose clients sometimes, I gain clients sometimes, so this is not going to stay constant. I might lose a couple of clients this summer, I might gain a ton of clients next month. I don't know what's going to happen in the future, but looking at the data, I went from 10 to 20 to almost 40 clients. So essentially my business has doubled every single year. I doubt I'm going to go to 80 clients in the next 12 months, but you never know what might happen. So I'm telling you all of this not to brag or not to say, hey, look at me, look how good I am, but rather I'm telling you this so that I can motivate you and inspire you so that you can also do the same thing that I did with no experience. You can start a bookkeeping business. You can go from 0 to 10 clients, and in 2 years, you can go to 40 clients. It's totally doable. I did it, and I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. Okay, it's really all about marketing. QuickBooks and bookkeeping, not really that complicated. Sales and marketing is the hard part. Getting clients is the hard part. First of all, you need to get a website. You don't need to spend a ton of money. You don't need to pay anybody necessarily to build you a website for you. There are a ton of easy to use templates. I use Squarespace. Second of all, you got to have a Google My Business page. That way people can find you whenever they go to Google and search for bookkeepers. This is free. And the thing with this is you got to get a couple reviews on your Google My Business page. That way you look relevant. And then once you get clients, ask all of your clients to leave you a review. I have almost 65 5-star reviews on my Google My Business page. That is more than any other bookkeeper in my area. Third is Facebook. Now, it doesn't have to be Facebook. It can be Instagram, it can be TikTok, it can be LinkedIn, it can be Twitter, but I love Facebook, and so that is the social media platform that I use the most. The only thing I recommend, pick one platform for the first 30 days and learn as much as you can, master that one platform, then you can expand to other social media platforms. If you try to do all 6 in the first month, you're gonna get confused and overwhelmed. So focus on one in the beginning. Okay, so more specifically with Facebook, it's a 3-step process. What do you have to do marketing? Like, what does that look like? It's really pretty simple. It's not complicated, but it's not easy. It requires a lot of hard work. So first of all, you have to create content. And it can just be a post on your Facebook. It can be a picture with words. It can be an infographic. It can be a flyer. It can be a video. It doesn't matter what it is. You got to create content. And the thing that I always tell people is you want to make it obviously relevant to business owners and bookkeeping and QuickBooks and taxes. You want to provide a little bit of value to your audience. The main goal of this is to establish trust and to build an online reputation. You're going to be creating marketing content so that people who follow you on Facebook get to know who you are. Second, you got to find and connect with your prospective clients. So right now, you're probably not Facebook friends with any business owners, and you got to change that. So you have to figure out a way to find business owners on Facebook and then friend request them, or Instagram or LinkedIn, same concept. You got to find and connect with prospective clients. Third and finally, you have to message these people. I always recommend friend request them and then wait 30 days before you message them, because nobody really likes to get a friend request and then a message 2 days later like, whoa, I don't even know you. Why are you messaging me already? And also, if you wait 30 days, it gives them an opportunity to get to know you, and it gives you an opportunity to build trust with them through creating content. So you got to do all three of these things simultaneously together. Okay, finally, timeline. What does this look like? How quickly can I expect to get my first client? So first of all, you've got to create content and connect with people and message people every single day. And then you got to do this for 6 months. You cannot do this for 1 month and expect to see results, because it takes time to build your reputation. It takes time to connect with enough people on social media. But if you do this every day for 6 months, I promise you, you will get at least one client. I was able to get 2 clients pretty much every month consistently in the first 2 years while I was starting my business. So if you need any help starting your bookkeeping business, I would be more than happy to work with you. There's actually a link in the description of this video. You can schedule a one-on-one consultation with me. I can help you start your bookkeeping business. I can help you grow your bookkeeping business. I can help you with actually learning QuickBooks. I can help you with marketing and sales. And also I can help you once you get your first client, I can help you actually do their bookkeeping. So reach out to me anytime. I would be happy to work with you. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos. I post a ton of content teaching you how to start your own bookkeeping business. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video.